So we got the headliner out, and then I ran into a bit of an issue, is that the visor I don't think will come out any way besides either taking this bracket off, this entire bracket with the motor connected, or taking off the sunroof, which I think you have to lift it a little bit to be able to access the bolts. And my jump pack is not here. I'm debating just trying to flex it through here and bend it and see if I could get it to come out, because I really want to do the headliner already. I got the fabric and I just want to be done with interior. Alright, so first I'm going to try to get all this wiring unclipped and unplugged, and then we'll start taking the bolts out. This is the first step, and this is what it's like because I don't have the proper tool. Wow. See what happens when you know what the fuck you're doing? Makes everything easier. You guys notice a difference in the camera or the audio because I'm using a GoPro? There we go. So this side has like a little pressure point that gets that clip to undo. But now the clip is just ran behind, or the wires just ran behind the hose to the drains. Now I'm going to do this one, which those look a little different. It's a handy dandy butter knife. I discovered that there's like this little tape that these side pieces slide over on. Like, you can see how that one is set up. It's like taped over the edges, so I'm pretty sure, unless I just ripped it off, I don't know, I can't get this to come out. I've been trying, pulling really hard, and I don't want to fucking break it more than I already did. So yeah, you'll take off these and then unplug the motor and we'll start unbolting. I have a piece of cardboard I'm gonna use to keep track of my bolts so I'm not fucking anything up. Quite the trick to get this out without having it fall. This is where extra hands come in handy, you know? But here we are. Oh shit. Alright, we got movement. And whenever you take out your lights, they'll go on these two screws with a little nut. Just put them back on when you take it off so that you don't lose it. I did the same with the map light. Just keep everything together so that you don't lose anything. I'm gonna keep that one tight so that I don't have this thing falling off one side. It's gonna be hard to do this with only two hands. Alright, so while we wait for Harry, he's gonna come help me drop this down so I don't fuck it up trying to do it myself. And while I wait for him, I'm gonna tear all this material off of the foam and hopefully not ruin it. I hope I wasn't supposed to keep this on there. I don't see why I would, but They must have used some good fucking glue. Car's old as shit, and it's still stuck on there pretty good. Damn. So this is what I assume other people were talking about when they said that the foam will stick to the headliner material itself. But yeah, this is really brittle. I don't know if you can tell. There's a crack right there and one on the other side. Yeah, we're just gonna peel all this off and then that'll be that. Ready for material. I've been scraping away at this foam for the past hour, maybe even longer. I've been trying to get as close as I can to the material. I think Harry's about to be here. What the fuck? Dude, it started pouring. I know. Fucking it's good, man. How we doing? Good. Bro, I have been scraping at that since I talked to you. Jesus Christ. Yeah, dude, it's so stuck on there. Harry's gonna give me a hand here. We're gonna fucking remove a sunroof. Unclipped and unhosed. Did you break any clips? No. I don't think so. Right. Super weird. I almost broke these. It's gonna start coming. This one is really one that's holding it in. Right. I can feel it. She's about to fall. It's heavy, bro. I'm not lying. There should be a bolt right here. Get out of here. She's tight. I got it. I got the last one. Should be one over there now. That's the one that's really gonna drop it. Oh man. What is going on? Don't strip it. Yeah. Ow. Did you get it?
I think so.
What the fuck was that? I got it. I left the bolt in, but I loosened it. She was loose. What are you doing?
She ain't loose.
Bro, I loosened it.
Bro, I'm telling you. I think she's fucking stripped.
I think you stripped it.
I think she
these
was
bolts
stripped
have,
before.
No, these bolts have never been touched. That's just a piece of the trim. What's holding it on?
I don't know.
What the fuck is holding it? Pull it forward, towards the windshield. There we go, it was just hooked. Holy shit. She's fucking out.
We did it.
There she is. I don't know exactly where we're supposed to go from here. Alright, we're gonna figure out how to get this shit out. So we got it out. All you have to do is this bracket will be held on at these screw holes right there, and you'll slide that out and there'll be a little trim piece, and then it allows this to slide out the back of the sunroof.
Yeah, baby.
So I'm done with this today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see if we could get this cover off, and I'll do this first in the fabric because it'll probably be the easiest. We'll get that going and put everything back together, and hopefully it looks good.